Hi guys, in today's episode of Crash Technical Drawing for SS 1 to 3, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to draw the line of intersection of two cylindrical pipes of unequal diameter joined at an angle. Now these are two cylindrical pipes of unequal diameters joined at an angle. Now the first thing to do is to draw semicircles at any convenient distance away from the plan and elevation. So this semicircle must be drawn on the surface of the cylinder. So let me draw the middle dividing line. So we need that middle line for the semicircle here. There we have the middle dividing line. The next thing, we'll draw a semicircle on this surface. Let's draw a semicircle on this surface. Then we're going to divide that semicircle into 6 equal parts. So here we have the semicircle. Let's divide it into 6 equal parts. Yes, so we have that. So we'll draw lines parallel to the surface done. Okay, we need the center of this semicircle. So yeah, let's continue the process. So we have the midpoint of the semicircle. That's somewhere around here. Somewhere around here. So basically, also draw lines here and here. So we'll join each of these divisions to the center. This here and here and here and here. The next thing for us to do is to draw lines. These lines, they are parallel to the axis of the cylinder. The center line. You have the central line. Yeah. Yeah, and also here. This one coincides with the other side. So now the next step to do is we'll also draw a cylinder, a semicircle rather. We'll also draw a semicircle at here at this point and divide it into 6 equal parts. Then we'll now take it, draw into the centers. Draw into the centers. Then we'll now take it down to the Now we'll now take all these divisions upwards. We'll measure them upwards to intersect the ones below. Take them upwards. So we have this one. Take this one upwards too. This is for the one. I guess that's it. Okay. Also up the next one. So then for the third one. So let's call this 0, 1, 2, 3, and this will be 1, 2, 3, 2. So this one will be 3, 2, 1, 0, 2, 1, 0. The next, let's connect 0 to 0. So 0 on the edge is to 0 at the center. Give us something like here. So we also have 0. Now 1, let's connect 1. So this is 1 to 1. Yeah. And also to 1 here. Let's connect 2. This is 2 to 2 here. And also 2 on the opposite end. It's right here. Then let's connect 3. That's 3 to this 3 on both ends. So this is a curve and we can draw a line through this curve. So this is the line of intersection. So all you need to do is use your French curve. Copy the curve and draw it. So this French curve exactly fits over the curve. You can see it exactly fits over the curve. So I just need to draw it. I don't need to adjust anything. Just need to draw it curve. And this is the curve of intersection of these two cylinders at an angle to each other. Thanks for watching.